you go through the manner one more time? You did? Did you tell them that I was going to be back in the ballroom in just a few minutes? Yeah? You sure? Wait, Maddie, do you remember how to do the fist thing again? Here, hold on. I'm going to come down there to you. Y'all know this is my friend Miss Maddie. She's only 4 years old. All right, Miss Maddie, are you ready? We did the high five. Okay, and now then the fist. And now you go like this. Do it again and go. Psh. Are you ready? All right, one more time. Psh. One more time. Psh. Okay, now Miss Maddie, are you married? No. Do you have a boyfriend? You did a little hesitation. You were like, oh, that's right, because your mom's here. It's okay. Yeah. So, Miss Maddie, I have another question for you. Okay. If you don't have a boyfriend and you're not married, what do you do with your